So what I gonna cook today? I gonna make palm khai. Palm khai is egg. I gonna do like a you omelette, but my omelette is put on the banana leaf and grill.
Nice.
No oil.
I'm excited.
So the first thing, hunting banana leaf.
I hope that knife is not for me.
เอาอันไหนแม่บนนี่ก็ได้เติมนี่ก็ได้เนาะอุ้ย นี่ก็ได้เนาะต้องตัดนี่ก็พอแล้วค่ะ
So if you want to try this recipe at home, you have to start by having your own banana tree in the backyard.
Yeah. Yes. Got this one. Yes. Wait. I'm not professional with this.
So it's been a while since you've done that.
Yeah. Wait. And I'm gonna wash this. Sorry. That's it.
Why do we have this pole here?
The pole.
Yeah, this one. Why do,
Oh,
why
hand
do,
clothes.
Oh, okay. That's the
Hand clothes.
clothesline. Okay.
I think the mom she adopted the cat.
I think so
It's
too.
not her cat.
She adopted about 10 cats.
She pour them like they come from the other house.
You doing, pussy?
เป็นยังแม่แล้วรู้นะอย่าใส่ I need to take how to wash it. How many tubs? Very upcountry.
Yeah, and old people do like to collect things, so we have a good selection of buckets here.
When it's rain, wait for a while. It's a heavy rain. Wait for a while and clean the roof, and gonna put the tub on here so you can use the water like.
Collect the rainwater.
It's not for drink. It's for just cleaning stuff.
Yep.
It's not clean for drink.
I'll go and say hello to the cats.
Okay.
Here's 3 more of the cats. She buys them fish from the market. So apparently one fish and some rice it feeds all the cats. So Tara doesn't have a microphone on, so apologies if you can't hear her 100%. No, she's just got to heat the banana leaves a little bit.
Make it not crispy.
Not crispy.
Not break. When you wrap, it's not break.
Okay. All right. So making it more pliable. Pliable. Oh, very good. So what are you doing now, darling?
Make like a bowl. Make a bowl. Bowl for like you're gonna put the egg on there and do grill by the banana leaves. Yes.
So it'll pretty much be steamed inside the banana leaf?
Yes, it's very. The egg gonna have very nice smell, tasty. And this one no oil, so good for health.
Of course, good for health.
Good for health.
I don't know why those roosters were being good for health at 2 a.m. this morning.
What?
The roosters making noise at 2 a.m.
They don't know the time. Like, I don't know.
Someone needs to educate those roosters.
It's not pretty, so sorry.
It doesn't need to be. It's rustic. So you're just using toothpicks?
Yep. Yes, I'm gonna put egg on here and screw.
Lovely.
This is a very old style.
So you're going to cook something else as well?
Yes, barbecue fermented pork.
Barbecue fermented pork.
Fermented pork. You love that. You have before.
I do love fermented pork.
We not go to the big markets. I'm not sure this one gonna tasty or not.
Go away, cat.
This one like a pregnant or no? Not.
So it not only has the meat, it has the rind, has the skin of the pork as well.
Yeah. Skin pork, and they mix the garlic sauce in here, make it like, do you know the fermented sour?
Yeah, yeah. It's lovely. I really enjoy it. I love sour food.
That's so tight. Yeah. Easy, and it will sticky right. So tasty.
It is tasty. So we're both feeling a little tired today. Didn't sleep that well. Our choice of pillows were either too low or too high.
Yeah.
So we're going shopping today for more pillows.
Yes. I think I need big.
You need bigger leaf.
Not to put too much.
Either bigger leaf or less pork. You can't put, do you want to go and get a bigger leaf?
Yeah, big leaf. Never do before, do you? Yes. That's it. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Move here. Can't see.
Am I doing a good
you're
job?
Professional. Yeah. Yep. Well done.
It's actually a lot easier than it looks. It's pretty sharp. Stage 2.
Yes, cooking.
So how many eggs?
3. 3. ไข่3 ใบ Ui,
Kai sambai.
ไข่3 ใบ
So kai is egg, sam is 3, and bai is piece. So 3 pieces of egg.
I need the fish sauce a little. Nice. Okay.
So the fish sauce is just to make it a little salty.
Very easy. กินเสียงกะ Okay. And then go to quick. Oh no, go to quick.
Go to cook.
Go to cook. Grill.
Don't quit on us, baby.
Don't quit. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yes. Just leave like that.
Wonderful.
Easy.
All right. I want you to sit back down. Okay. All right.
Sit back.
Can you put that on at the same time?
Yes. Nè.
Great. So how long does it need to cook, darling?
My
So-
guess. 10 minutes.
Off.
No, until it's
Oh.
okay. You say okay. All right. Good.
All right, viewers, I'll let you know a secret. Off camera, I said, how long does it take to cook? And she said, as long as it takes. She
Oh
has,
no, no idea.
she has no idea. So, and the hardest one to tell is the fermented pork because you can't actually see what's going on in there.
Yes.
But it's best not to overcook it because it's my if it's overcooked.
Last time you overcooked,
Yeah.
you made it.
Yeah. So I just had to get some spring onion from the garden. And I'm thinking that I need to take the fermented pork off because it's much better undercooked than overcooked. Because it's already fermented. So you can eat it without heating it up. I'm taking the fermented pork off because I don't want it overcooked.
Oh my god.
Why didn't you use the big knife, darling?
I can't find a knife.
Oh yeah, because that spring onion is very tough. You need the big knife for that.
It's not pretty, but okay, we can eat.
It's rustic.
Okay.
So this is a traditional style of cooking the eggs.
Yeah, because long time, like when I don't know, long times, we don't have a pans, we don't have a oil for cook, so we have eggs.
All right, so you work with what you have. You don't have a fry pan and you don't have oil. So you just go to your backyard.
And there's something like this.
You cut off the banana leaf
Yeah.
and then you just start cooking. It's lovely.
And the banana leaf make the food smells good. Like it smells nice.
Yeah. I'm sure we have a lot of people who are jealous of this style of cooking. They want to come out to their backyard and cook like this, I'm sure. It's awesome. And it's nice and warm near this fire. Beautiful. I love staring at fire.
Getting cooked.
All right, so it's not too far away now. All right, so cooked.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
It smells so good about the banana leaf. Hom hom. Yeah. Oh, this.
That's right, darling.
Oh, hot. It's like this. And this one,
So crack this one open.
yeah. Don't you cook anything with the banana leaf or smell so good? Oi. Oi. Sorry, it's not look pretty.
It's all right, just as long as it's tasty.
Okay.
This is Upcountry presentation.
Our breakfast.
Yeah, it looks so good. Right, you want to be the first one to try?
Okay. try it first. Eh. Ui.
Right, I'll have a look. Looks well cooked. My mouth's watering, darling. And humak,
Very tasty. Snakes. Pork.
the fermented pork. It's not tough, not chewy, not overcooked.
Very good, not overcooked.
Oh, good. Gang mak.
This time I have experience.
Yeah. All right, I'm putting this camera down because I need to eat.
Okay.
Bye. We have a new addition to our team. That's Tar's cousin.
Yes. Amy, eh?
And we're just going to take her to the city. She's catching a bus to go to Chiang Mai.
Yes.
So that's the end of this episode, and we'll catch up with you again soon.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. It's so Jai
ขอบคุณนะคะที่รับชมวิดีโอ
Oh, that sounded so beautiful.
ไทย
It's so beautiful. All right, we'll catch up with you next time. Oh, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click like.
Yes กดไลค์นะคะ